Spice drop a brand new music video for a new song named Ed. And we're going to talk about a couple other things regarding the Queen, right? So when you stick around, the breakdown coming right up.
So me have to admit the boy have me head. Me give the boy me head. Him not stop store my daily name. Hold the boy body in a bed. I feel admit the boy have me head. Me weak to the boy, me can't take it.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. So today we are going to talk about Queen Spice, fresh off a vacation from Mexico, right? But it looked like, you know what I mean, love is still in the air. And that's so the thing stop, because she actually get some roses today, you know what I mean? So the boss keep it up and make sure say him take care of him woman. You see me, I say, so him send Spice some roses and Spice post it and show we. So I'm going to show another little clip there before we get into the other part of the story them. So here goes.
My baby bought me roses. Of course, you know, I never planned for this, so I don't have no vase. So, you know, I'm going to put them in one basin of water. When I'm going shopping, I'm going to get my vase. But thank you, baby. They are lovely. Roses, roses, roses. Roses.
That me a talk about. So when you see it's a freshly cut roses for the Queen. But people, let's talk about Spice's new music video where she dropped to the name Ed. Now, me didn't want to show the music video, but unfortunately I can't. So what me have to do is provide a link so you can go watch it on our Vivo if you not already see it. So for the people that must see it, me I go ask them right off the top, you know what I mean? What you think about it, what you like it, or what you have to say about it, put in the comment section. Now, I like how TC deal with it. For the people that must see it and know what I talk about, you see me and say, I like how TC start it off, and you know TC have the vibes. I may have a video with TC also for sure, you know what I mean? Because TC is like a comedian slash dancer. She bad people, you know what I mean? You don't know already. People who follow TC know already. But that song of people is actually good because Spice not talk about no skin out and ray. And that alone make it good, you know, because I like when Spice talk about her skin out them still. But what me I say is that the song actually is clean, you know what I mean? Even though it name Ed, that show off a lot of people, because them things say about them kind of something there, you see me? But then about that, all she says that the boy mash up her head. So basically she call herself a yamed. I want to know why Spice sing that song here, because right, we see the video them, me did couple video well while she was on vacation and so we know she talk about. But people, we are going to finish talk about this. Let's take a look at TC video. Here goes.
Well, you want to sing this one that playing Broke Off Your Back? You know that one?
Which one?
Broke Off Your Back, Broke Off Your Back.
I want to play Call Me If.
Call me what?
The song with the boy sing. We went here and he get set up. Read him.
Who's that?
The sexy fine boy who always taking off his shirt and dance. Call Me If or something. Call supposed to do it.
Call Me If? Who sang that? I don't know.
Oh, Gangali or Bangali.
Gangali?
Bangali Bamboo or something.
Yeah.
It's me when singing too. Bangali Gangali. But the whole Bangali. Turn up the music.
Pull up the song selector, Carl. Okay, ready, Granny?
Alright.
Let's go. Stand by.
Bangali Gangali. But a young Bangali Gangali.
Yo, Jadu star TC, we I tell you, even though the TC attack, TC mouth a move like a she attack, and it just dep on point, she edited good and everything. How can you not like TC people? You see what I say? And I mean, I like the whole team Spice, but TC do have a buzz, I don't know what that too. You see me? So big up TC. So, like me I say, when you see the official music video for Spice new song, Ed, TC in at the front of the video, and she attack about how much Spice is a yamed for the boy, because the boy do all kind of things and rare. You see me? But you know, the song start and Spice actually like sound like some big R&B singer, me I telling the people. And this is just my observation and my opinion, you know. When you don't watch it, if you don't watch it, or if you don't watch it already, like me say, you can tell me what you feel about it, right? But the thing what I like the most about that video, yeah, be a grassinier. Everybody in a grassinier, TC, pretty, everybody. Wait, and a pretty. Our next dancer, but me don't know who. You see me? When you put in the comment section and tell me who TC that talk to in our front. Alright? Oh, I saw the Queen is flexible. Be things you are going with no mama. But people, let's talk about the song again. So the song start and Spice actually sing like a whole verse. You know what I mean? I talk about how much our friend them say the boy no good and this and all kind of things. You see me? And while she do that TC, them did it and them like I tell her off and these things, but she does not listen to them. And then she actually gets into the hook and I talk about the part about the head. Say the boy mash up her head and she give the boy her head and all of these things. But not up to that point. Me hear one curse word, you know what I mean, or one kind of derogatory thing where you say, yo, Spice, Bray. Wanna know how people always say a queen for do some different song and a queen for do this and a queen for do that. Well, she do it now. You see me? And so far, from what I see in the comment section, people like it. I see a lot of people that say, yo, Spice actually knock it out of the park with the one, yeah, right? So I'm happy to see that and happy to know say the queen also change up the style and I do different things. You see me? And like me say, if you don't see it, you don't need to go check it out. You see me? Also, remember, Spice It Up season 2 start again. So Spice actually did some interview already. You know, she talked to Conscience, she talked to Wayne Marshall and Tommy Chin. So when you know say that because Spice It Up season 1 did have a buzz and season few just as bad. You see me? So we don't need to check out Spice It Up as well. So people, me really want to know what you think about Spice music video. And like myself, if you don't see it yet, I go put the link so you can go see it, right? But me just gonna wrap up the video now, people. Me don't stay too long. You see me? So this is the end of today's video. And if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Now, I hope everybody have a wonderful weekend. I want to stay safe out there. So I say, want to just do the right thing at all time. Stay out of trouble, you know what I mean, and look out for each other. So now have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Big up, I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.